Funny Croatian expressions part 2. Bogu iza nogu. It means behind God's legs. So the meaning is in the middle of nowhere. For example, to mjesto je Bogu iza nogu. This place is in the middle of nowhere. Ispeci pa reci. Bake it, then say it. It means think before you speak. Pijan kao majka. Drunk as a mother. So it comes from old times when women gave birth at home and they were given rakia, which is a strong alcoholic drink, to ease the pain, but they would end up getting drunk. Došla maca na... Došla maca na vratanca. The kitty has come to the small door. It's used when you cause some trouble and in the end you get what you deserve. Now my favorite one. Prošla baka s kolačima. The old lady with cakes has gone away. It means you reacted too late and you have missed the opportunity to do something. Pukao kao kokica, popped like a popcorn. We use it to say that someone has snapped mentally or has gone crazy. Vidimo se.